In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide order history on PayPal. Before we begin, open the tool you plan to use for your invoice. You can build a professional invoice in Word or Google Docs if you prefer something simple and manual, or in Excel or Google Sheets if you want automatic calculations. There are also free invoicing options like Wave, PayPal Invoicing, or Canva, and full accounting tools such as QuickBooks or Xero if you need robust features. If you're just starting out, a clean Google Doc or Sheet does the job perfectly, and using a template can save time and reduce mistakes. Start by setting up the header with your business information. Include your business name and add a logo if you have one for a more polished look. Add your name, your business address, and a professional email and phone contact. Keep this section consistent across all invoices so clients can quickly recognize who the invoice is from. Directly beneath that, add your client's details, list the client's name, the company name if applicable, and an address or email so it's clear who is being billed. This helps avoid confusion, especially when clients manage multiple vendors. Next, assign a unique invoice number. This is essential for tracking. Something like INV001 or 2026-001 works well. Alongside that, include the invoice date and a due date, such as due in 7 or 14 days. Clear dating improves cash flow because clients know exactly when payment is expected. Now list your products or services in a simple table with columns for description, quantity, rate, and amount. For example, social media management, quantity 1, rate 300, amount 300. Be specific with descriptions so clients understand the line items without needing follow-up questions. Add your total section. Show the subtotal, any applicable tax, optional discounts, and the total amount due. For instance, subtotal 300, tax 0%, total 300. Keeping the math visible builds trust and reduces disputes. Include payment details so clients know exactly how to pay you. You can accept bank transfer, PayPal, Wise, or local e-wallets depending on your region. Reiterate the payment deadline, such as payment due within 7 days, to set clear expectations. Add optional notes or terms. A brief thank you message is always appreciated. You can also outline a late payment policy and a simple refund or revision policy if relevant to your work. Before sending, review everything carefully, double-check amounts, verify client details, and save the invoice as a PDF for a professional, uneditable copy. Finally, send the invoice by email, a messaging app, or a client portal. A clear subject line like invoice number INV001, your business name, makes it easy to find and pay.